Welcome to the world-famous Bonneville Salt Flats. You'd be forgiven if you mistook this location for the Great Salt Lake, because our heavy winter has flooded the salty plains with over a foot of water. I'd never seen anything like it, so my drum buddy Patrick and I headed out to investigate. Each summer, these salt flats are home to Speed Week, where the packed salt surface becomes a raceway and world land speed records are set. But something tells me Speed Week fans are going to be a bit disappointed this year. There's no way this much water will clear in time. But you've got to admit, despite the flooding, this view is incredible. To see still shots from this trip and others, visit P-Funk Photography and Hanson Air Photo on Instagram. And as always, thanks for watching.